Hello and welcome to Falkirk Community Trust Libraries, and today I'm going to do an unboxing. People sometimes say that they want to know what we do behind the scenes, and one of the best things we get to do is to open boxes, because I cuddle a box here. Now, I have my trusty scissors, and let's just see what's coming in. We get boxes like this all the time, and sometimes you open them up and you have absolute fantastic gold, and other times you open them up and you have books that I wouldn't consider quite so exciting. For example, parliamentary stuff. So let's see what we're going to get. Right, packing stuff. Ooh, we've got a delivery note. Now what I should do is actually sit and tick these all off so that we make sure we've got everything. It's not parliamentary stuff. Right, what have we got? Ooh, Peng Shepherd, the Book of M. What would you give up to remember? Oh, and it's a sci-fi. Oh, the forgetting. Right, okay, that's probably another one I'm going to be getting out. Another one, because I'm always getting books out. The Girl from the Docklands Cafe by June Tate. Ooh, that sounds quite fun as well. Right, what else have we got? Lots and lots of adult fiction. Alex Scarrow. Plague World. Time's up, it's time to join us. Oh my goodness, there's a virus and it's assimilated humanity. Right. Oh, definitely taking this one out. Susanna Gregory, Intrigue in Covent Garden. This is a series I love. Rather lovely historical fiction. Chuck Palahniuk. I never know how to pronounce his name. Palahniuk, Adjustment Day, which, if you've read any of his, are usually fairly grim, so that will be rather interesting. Winston Graham, Poldark, The Four Swans. I read that many years ago, but that'll be rather good. If we're feeling sort of Cornwallish. What else have we got? Yay! The Unbeatable Squirrel Girl, My Best Friend Squirrel. I know we love Squirrel Girl here. As it's one of the few graphic novels that I do read. Do enjoy Squirrel Girl. Oh, we've got some more graphic novels. Goldie Vance, Scoot Over Nancy Drew, Volume 1. Oh, I might be having to read that one. The Amazing Spider-Man. Oh, these are great. Bombshells United, American Soil. Haven't come across them, but we always like a strong female character here. Well, I do anyway. Right, what else have we got? Giant Days? Oh, they started at university 3 weeks ago and became fast friends. Ooh. Right, what else have we got? Oh, Reading the Clouds. Now you can forecast the weather. That's going to be good. Ooh, this one's in a plastic bag. Ooh. Now let's see. Oh, okay. It's the Admission Register of Notaries Public in Scotland, 1800 to 1899. I'm probably not going to take this one out, but it could be very useful if you're looking for that information, because we're not just about fun, we're all about information too. So I'm more about the fun. Right. Molly Corbally, An Armful of Babies and a Cup of Tea, the memoirs of a 1950s health visitor. Okay, and The Rough Guide to Florida, if you're thinking of going on holiday. Bookman Dead Style by Paige Shelton. This looks like a cosy crime, and we love cosy crimes, so I shall be getting that one out. Oh, this is so good. The Private Life of Elizabeth II by Michael Patterson. Now, I'm sure I've seen some reviews of this that were really, really positive, so that would be quite interesting. Windows 10 for seniors. Now, I don't tend to think of myself as a senior. However, one of the things I really like about this series of books for seniors is that they do not assume that you know loads of stuff about ICT, so it's quite handy. So if you're a senior or otherwise, they're rather nice, and they're really simply set out, but they take you through the stuff and they do not treat you like you're completely foolish. Yes, I'm getting this one out. Pebble Pets, 50 Animal Rock Art Projects by Denise Skikluna. Sorry if I got her name wrong, but that's a brilliant name. And this, just so cute. And those people on Falkirk Rocks on Facebook, this totally is the book for you penguins. Oh man. Oh, so good. Right, we're taking that one out. And Insight Guides Explore Melbourne if you're really lucky and going somewhere very exciting on holiday. Or maybe just want to think about it and imagine it and plan it. We've also got So Baby if you want to 20 cuter colourful projects for the home, the nursery and on the go. I would suggest that if you're going to have a baby, you probably want to do the sewing before you have the baby, or get somebody else to do the sewing for you, but that would be really lovely. And you can make some really nice presents for people. And we've got 2 last things. Here we go. Holidays, the Cape Verde Islands Pocket Guide. And Andalusia and the Costa del Sol Pocket Guide. Wow, so we could go anywhere on holiday at the moment. This is so exciting. Right, now my problem, of course, is going to be what can I take away home with me and what's going to go back in the box. So I'm going to think about that, and I will say goodbye and I'll see you another time. Bye.